Good morning. Welcome to Wealth Chat. My name is Renee, your wealth coach. How y'all doing today? I know I'm coming on live Saturday. I need to start doing more lives. But I wanted to come on and talk to you. Probably is going to be a variety of things, because after I do the live, then I can chop this video up and make it into, repurpose it into other different videos. Trying to think, what did I name this one? Oh, hitting the bullseye. For my birthday, my nephew gave me some firearm. And so I've been going to the range, practicing. And so I did take a class. Let me give you guys some light here. And so I did take a class because, of course, I want to be licensed to carry a concealed weapon. And so, whatever I do, you got to take classes, get knowledge. You got to invest in your knowledge. And one thing I know for sure, it's not a toy to be played with. And so anyway, I enjoyed the class. It showed me how to properly handle, load, safety measures. And so I was at the gun range this week, and so my daughter had filmed me, and so anyway, I was taking my time to hit the target. And I uploaded a video to YouTube, and so I was getting comments from people like, "Hey, you're taking too long. You know, the bad guy would have gotten you by now." And so, first of all, I wasn't in danger. I'm at the gun range practicing. Second of all, I was telling them, I'm like, this is a new gun, a new thing for me. And now that I know how to properly hold it, aim, and hit my target, I was really trying to hit the bullseye. And so I will say that I'm doing the exact same thing on my investments, that I'm trying to hit the bullseye. I'm 58 years old. And so I don't have, I'm noticing that I'm switching over from a long-term investments, which I have plenty of long-term investments. I've been doing this for years, but also by playing the Cashflow game, which we play every Sunday. I can't tell you how beneficial this game has been as far as giving me knowledge on my different investments. So the key thing is to know, so my next real estate purchase, I'm looking at commercial property. And so just out looking for commercial property, which is going to require a 20% down payment. And so you have to know what your investments entail. So for me, I do multiple streams of income. I have gold and silver. That's one stream. I have real estate. I have businesses. I have my stock portfolio. I have my crypto portion of it. I have my online courses. I have a book that I, sell online. So I have different streams of income coming in. And so out of all the investments that I have, I'm trying to hit the bullseye on every single one of them. I want them to all be healthy and to be producing the profits and earnings and cash flow that I, got into the investment for. And so, I don't have time to miss the mark. And so I don't have time to miss the mark on any investments that I make. And so that's why we have the book club. That's why we have the Play the Cash Flow game. Everything that I have lined up, like my courses, are all geared to helping you build your portfolio, a strong, solid portfolio. And even like in here, there's some people that feel as though I'm not moving fast enough, or, I'm not hyping. And, there's some people that are more successful out there on the internet, but, you know, sometimes you take these classes, like these real estate classes, and they're like, oh, come for free. And then you're there and you're sitting through a sales pitch, and then you put $1,000 in, and then you got to come back, and you just keep, by the time you finish, you've given them your money that you needed to get your own investment property. And so, this stuff is free. I mean, you can go to the library and get books that will show you how to do it, tell you the steps on how to do it. But some of us are looking for a microwave results, like shortcuts. I want to get in and I want to make money. But then you end up losing more money because you didn't get the knowledge on that investment. You don't know what that investment can do for you. And you get frustrated, you get discouraged, and you end up giving up. But you need to take advantage of building your portfolio. You have to be involved. You have to be involved. You can't just, if you're working a 9-to-5 and you're putting your money into the 401k, and, you need to know how that 401k works, and you need to know the investments that your 401k is holding. You need to go in and clear out the weeds and make changes to your 401k, and not just accept the ones that they put you in. You have to have some type of knowledge, because when you need that money and it's not there, that's going to be a sad day. And I'm not saying that, there's no one really knows. You just have to put yourself out there and get the knowledge, make your investments, stay on top of your investments. So, I'm not just having a portfolio filled with different items, so I can say I have multiple streams of income. No, we need all streams flowing. Sometimes streams will dry up, but still have the knowledge. Like right now, are you sitting back watching your stocks just dwindle and disappear? You should. Like our last book club, we were talking about, do I have the book here? Yeah. I'm surrounded by books. Selling stocks short. So, if you were a part of that, instead of sitting around watching all the stocks, your money disappear in your stock portfolio, you may have made a move over to selling short, and, stocks have dropped. Those people are making money right now. So you want to be able to have a couple of strategies in, the investments that you're making, so that you can move with the economy, move with the flow. So that way you're always making money. So like right now, I'm buying stocks. I'm adding to my portfolio. I'm buying crypto. I'm buying silver every month. The prices are low, and I'm taking advantage of that and building my portfolio. My goal this year for my silver is to get up to 100 ounces of silver. So here are my newest coins that I got in the other day. This one is, a Great Britain silver Britannia. Let me take it out. I haven't even opened these yet. Let me put my gloves on. And I'm telling you, the more I do the videos, the more I'm meeting professionals in this arena, and I'm learning so much. How to properly store, what the coins mean. When I first started buying silver, isn't that beautiful? This is a Great Britain coin. And knowing the difference between, this is a real coin, but, and I'll show you the difference in a minute. This is a real coin. 1 ounce of silver. So I'm trading in my dollars that are devaluing every day for money that doesn't devalue. That's why I buy silver and gold, because it doesn't devalue, it increases in value. And again, I haven't even opened these yet. So my goal is to get up to 100 ounces of silver by the end of the year. I'm already, I think I'm at 27 ounces. Guys, I haven't even opened these coins yet. Just getting them in the mail. And right now, silver, the price of silver has dropped. Let me see if I can pull it up on my computer. Okay, so it's just like on the stock market, the price, you can find the price of silver. And so on Friday, the price of silver, 1 ounce is worth $21.96. And they're estimating that the cost of silver will go up to will increase. So that means my coins increase. This one is a Canadian silver maple coin. And you can buy them at different years. These are 2022. Talk about shiny coins here. Let me put on my other glove. So there's a proper way to handle it. And they come in little plastic covers, but I also have containers that are airtight. And now, because of my collection is growing, I have to keep them in a safe, locked in a safe. Now this one is an Australia coin. So I have Canada, I have Great Britain, sorry you guys, I didn't bring my scissors over. This one is Australia Philharmonica coin. Now these are actual coins. Make sure I don't have that upside down, but you can see it has instruments on there. So I keep all my receipts and I keep them all in their original packaging. Well, I keep the original packaging for the coins. But those are my 3 newest coins. And you can get coins like from all over the world. Like I said, this is a global currency. And so now I have some good coins that I can just continue to add on, like get up to 6 of each one. That's how I'm building my collection. I showed you guys the Cougaran. Now, if you play the Cashflow game, you'll know what this coin is about. But this one is from South Africa. So I have coins now from all over the world, and these are real coins. Now I'm going to show you the difference between a coin and a generic coin. it's still, you know, an ounce of silver. Now, like I said, I never even started out. I was, you know, always been around silver and gold. But then when I got serious about it, you know, I would just buy silver. Because again, you grow in knowledge as you keep going. And then the internet, they will teach you, bring you up to par. But this is a real coin. Oh. This is a real coin. This is a silver dollar real coin. And it's rare because of its the year. And let's see. The other thing I noticed too, just really trying to educate myself, because again, I'm trying to hit the bullseye on my investments. I'm trying to have $1 million worth of silver and gold, trying to have $1 million worth of real estate, which I'm over $250,000 now in assets, of ownership of in assets for real estate. You know, my stock portfolio, you know, that to be $1 million, you know, so you gotta just really set some goals and buy the right items to get you to your goals. Okay, so let me find a generic coin. Told you now my stash is growing. Okay. Where are you? Okay, so I just showed you this one is a silver dollar, and it's a Morgan. They call it a Morgan silver dollar, a Morgan dollar. But here's a replica of the same thing, but one's a coin and one's a generic, but they're both silver. This is 1 ounce of silver, but this is actually a silver dollar. So they just made a replica of this, but it's the same. But one is worth more than the other. But this is a generic, and this is a real coin. This is a coin, and this is a generic. Bullion is what they call it, or silver round. So, like I said, just educating myself. And I noticed that, you know, I just been educating myself on it, because when I first started, I was just buying silver and gold, with just adding that to my portfolio. But, you know, I had, you know, just happened to come across a real coin, and that just changed how I started purchasing the silver and gold moving forward. I don't want to make this into a long video, so I will stop here. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you my new coins, and I just want to share that, you know, get some knowledge in your investments, so that way you can hit the bullseye. And so if the market changes or turns, you can flow and ebb, because you've gotten some knowledge, you've taken some classes, you have been to, you know, I'm in mastermind groups. You know, you just have to keep growing, and you won't miss the mark. So bye for now. See you on the next video.